How to remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. So the first step, open up your settings and then tap on the taxes. Scroll down until you see the taxes and duties. From there, you just need to again scroll down until you see include text price. If it is turned on, you just need to uncheck this and then save these settings. Once you are done, just head over to your online store, go for themes, and from the themes you have to simply go for three dots on the left side of customize and go for edit default theme content. Once you tap on this will take you to the editing side section. Now once you are in, you just need to search for shipping calculator or shipping calculated. Once you search for this, you just need to go for the shipping calculated in the checkout order summary, and you have to remove anything that is in this particular box and simply type free shipping or something else like that. Once you do so, you have to do the same for the cart on the bottom of this page. Once you are done, now you have to simply search for calculated, and once you have searched for calculated, you just need to do the same for all of these taxes included and shipping policy HTML. You have to remove everything in there and simply replace the text with the free shipping or any kind of line that you like. Once you do so, tap on save on the top right corner and you are good to go. So that was the process of how you can remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify.